Welcome to Auto Vibe, and today we are taking a closer look at the 2022 Jeep Gladiator, a rugged pickup truck that merges the legendary off-road capability of Jeep with the versatility of a utility vehicle. Starting from the front, the Gladiator greets us with its bold and iconic 7-slot grille, flanked by round headlights that give it that classic Jeep look. The muscular front bumper and aggressive stance immediately tell you this is not just an ordinary truck. It's built for adventure and strength. The raised hood lines and strong wheel arches add to its commanding road presence, making it look equally ready for city streets or rocky trails. As we move to the back, the Gladiator showcases its practical pickup truck design. The tailgate is strong and versatile, allowing multiple positions for loading gear, and the rear lights are squared and modern with LED touches for a clean finish. The cargo bed is spacious enough to handle everything from camping gear to heavy-duty tools, and Jeep has ensured it's built tough, with available features like a spray-in bed liner, tie-down hooks, and even a power outlet for added convenience. The rear bumper is solid and complements the off-road ready spirit of the Gladiator. From the right side, you can truly appreciate its unique proportions. Unlike most mid-sized trucks, the Gladiator has a distinctive design with a longer wheelbase and the unmistakable Jeep DNA running through its rugged body lines. The removable doors, foldable windshield, and available removable roof panels mean this isn't just a truck, it's an adventure machine. The high ground clearance, chunky all-terrain tires, and stylish alloy wheels make it stand out while promising serious off-road capability. Stepping inside to the dashboard, Jeep has combined functionality with modern technology. The center console features a large touchscreen with the Uconnect infotainment system, offering navigation, smartphone integration, and multiple connectivity options. The controls are designed to be simple and rugged, with knobs and switches that are easy to use even with gloves on. The dashboard also has a premium touch, with soft touch materials and options for leather trim, making it practical yet refined. Looking at the front seats, they are spacious, comfortable, and supportive, perfect for long rides or challenging terrains. Jeep has added thoughtful details like weather-resistant materials, making it easy to clean after off-road adventures. The driving position is commanding, giving a clear view of the road or trail ahead, while adjustable seating ensures both comfort and control. In the back seats, the Gladiator offers more room than you might expect for a truck of this size. Passengers enjoy good legroom and headroom, and the seats can fold up to reveal additional storage space underneath. It's designed with families and groups in mind, making it versatile for both work and play. Finally, under the hood, the 2022 Jeep Gladiator comes with a robust 3.6-liter V6 engine delivering power and reliability for every journey. With options for both manual and automatic transmissions, it gives drivers the choice between control and convenience. The engine bay is laid out neatly, showing the engineering precision Jeep puts into every detail. It's not just about horsepower, it's about durability and the confidence to tackle any road or off-road challenge.